Hey, welcome once again to this video. So if you're new, just subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all our latest videos. So this is not a new video, it's a continuation video from the Telegram bot API course. So this in this tutorial, we in the last video we did we connected the Telegram bot with our Telegram channel, and we were able to get the user information. We were able to get the user information by just we were able to get the user information by just reloading from the API, and it was successful. Now I want to show in this video, I want to show you on how you can manage your Telegram channel using the Telegram bot API. Now remember that we added the Telegram bot to this channel, and we made it as an admin. Here we made it as an admin. Now we want to do some admin privileges where you can remove the user from the Telegram bot, then return him back, and also generate a link. So I'm going to use those three processes to show you on how you can do it with the Telegram bot API. So we will go back to the tutorial. We'll go back to the tutorial here. And now create. With the first step that we are going to do, we are going to remove the user. So removing the user, I'll do this. Remove user dot php. Then I'm going to do this. What I need from remove user.php, I just need the config files, the one that we use to get this. This is the function. I will use this function, or I will just use this function because I've included there the config file in this function. I have added the config file, so I will get the token bot, then the parameters I will set it by myself, then the method will set it by myself. So what I need to do, I need to just come here to remove user. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to create the parameters. So creating the parameters is parameters, then do this. After getting the parameters, I will do that. So here I will add this. I will add the chat ID, or not the chat ID, and I can also add the user ID, of which I'm going to remove. And then I will come back here and write response here, send then the chat ID parameters, then this is the method that will be sent there. Then you can just do this echo, then I will do response. So we can come back to this. So I want you to see on how I will be removed from this channel. So here, then I will come here to this tutorial here. So let me come and reload this page. Then I will come here and do this. Come to this data configs. If you see in the tutorial, this is the chat ID for my Telegram, so I will do that. Then I will come back to this. Then I will, let me put this so that you can see how I'll be removed from the channel. So I will just click this. When I click this, you can see bad request. Oh, you can't remove the user, so I can't remove myself. In order to prove this, you can only do this by removing a user who has joined the channel. So you will get this code and test it with you from your side, so that you can remove and add the user from this. Because I'm the owner, so the admin, the bot, can't remove me because I am the user. But if we have a user that was not the owner of the channel, he will be removed by just reloading this code, and it will remove the user. And that, now I'm going to add other functions. The other functions that I'm going to do, I'm just going to add them, all of them here. So remember, here it's removing users. This is how you remove users. Remove users. Then here at the bottom, we can rename this page. Let's rename it so that we cannot create other pages. We can remove these. We can add these pages by doing this, adding it as a manage manage, let's name it as manage channel .php. So the next thing that I want to do, I want to return, or let me say add user. So adding user, this is how you add user. You just create another parameters with this, then the response that you're going to create, response then is equals to send. Then the way you are going to add a user, you're going to use a method which is called as urban chat member. So I'll just write tab, then this is how you add user. Then the other way of you can generate generate an invitation link to the user. Even you can generate an expiry link. So generating an expiry link, that's what you will just add. You will add the chat ID, then you can just do this. You can just go to the method that you will use to generate here. This is what you can do in order to create. So let me comment this so that we cannot run the functions here, so that you can see the link that will be sent. Echo here. The reason why I'm not running this is because I'm the user. I cannot use it to test it, but you can get the code then test it with you here. But here we will test it because generating a user doesn't require the permission that we had. So we can just come here, then return to this and reload, then go to let me reload again, then manage channel. So you can just reload and see this is an invitation link where you can use it to join the Telegram channel. So here it has taken me there back. Then the other thing I'm going to add, you can also generate an expiry link, a link. You can generate a link that can expire link. So in order to do, you will just do this this command here. But the funny thing, the thing that you will add an expiry date of that. For this we have added a one. This is a link that will expire in 1 minute. So you can see here it is, and I can just come here and echo the response. So let me cancel this, comment this, sorry. Then I can just come here and reload. I can come here and reload. I can come and reload. You can see it has shown this link. Why is it showing two of them? So now I've already saved that. Then you can see from these sources I have created this link that is expired. So when you use this link to join, it will expire within that time. So that's what you should know about the Telegram bot, API. And if you have any question that you want to ask about the Telegram API, or what we have read from the documentation, remember that the documentation is found in the this link which you were provided by the Telegram bot further, so that you can just come and read all notes about. You can do some amazing things about the Telegram API. But from this concept that I've taught in this tutorial, it's enough to show you on how you can consume the Telegram bot API. If you have any question, just ask in the comment section, and please make sure you just like this video, send it to your friends, and just hit the notification, hit this subscription button, and you will get all our latest uploaded videos. So see you in the next video, where I'm going to build an awesome project of which you will learn. We will build with the knowledge that you have acquired from here. You can also use it to build the project. With this concept, you will be able to make the project that we are going to build in the last video of this course. So see you.